There are proofs and expectations for the existence of God. One proof is the existence of self. There are only 4 possibilities for the existence of the universe in which we exist. 1. The universe is spontaneously generated and emerges from nothing, but this is completely rejected by physics and every law we have been able to observe. From nothing, nothing comes. 2. The universe is illusionary. We think it's there and it isn't. This is also rejected by science because we can predict and observe the movement of heavenly bodies, and you cannot predict the movement of illusions. 3. The universe is eternal. It always was here. This can only be true if the energy or the power that sustains it is infinite, never dissipating. But instead, we do find this. The second law of thermodynamics tells us that we are losing energy in the form of heat, and this heat ends in cold. Entropy is a helpful term for this. If the universe is cooling off, then its energy or power is also cooling off. Therefore, the universe is not eternal if it is not infinitely and consistently supplying its own heat and energy that keeps it alive in the first place. Therefore, it's not eternal, because if it was, it would simply remain as it is. This means it must have been hotter since it cooled down. This unavoidably gives our universe a beginning point of starting with a certain existence with a specific temperature. Therefore, the beginning point of the universe had a greater degree of heat at the start than it has at the present moment. Infinite cannot be measured because it's, always the same. But difference and limit can. Difference always tells time. Sameness is timeless. This leaves cause number 4 to be the logical cause of the universe. 4. The universe was created by a force infinitely greater than itself. Some believe this force is simply a force. Others believe this force is not a force at all, but a being and/or person. To be consistent with logic, a law was stated earlier that from nothing, nothing comes. We humans have concluded that we are not nothing but something. Specifically and individually, we identify ourselves as someone or a person. From someone, someone comes. That someone is who many call God. Something to think about, guys.